everyone, my name is Davin. Today I'm going to speak on the topic on this aquarium I made. So we're going to talk about the animals, especially the octopus, the seahorse, and the two fishes that I made in this aquarium box. We're going to talk on how these animals eat. So of course the fish will eat planktons and moss, but some fishes can eat the other fishes because they can be carnivorous, like sharks and blue whales. Okay, now let's talk on the seahorse. This seahorse can eat crustaceans. They can eat up to 30 till 50 times a day. They can eat a type of shrimp. Moving on to the octopus that is behind the kelp. These octopus can also eat crustaceans. They can, I don't know the exact amount on how much they eat per day, but they can also eat fish. Now let's talk about why I chose this aquarium. Number 1 is because I like the ocean. Number 2 is because I like fish. Number 3 is because they're very unique. There's a lot of fishes in there. Okay, now the aquarium has lots of corals and a lot of rocks, but people has been dumping a lot of trash in these places, so the fish can't live, which makes me a little sad because I like seeing them swim around and around. So I just want to say that do not stop throwing garbage inside the water. That's my explanation. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.